Hi, I'm Nico. I'm the CTO and co-founder of Junglytics, and I want to quickly show you this really exciting new AI assistant we built to work on top of your existing Amazon data. So let's jump into the product. I can show you a little bit more. So this is our Junglytics assistant, and this does presume that you've connected an account with us. We have a 30-day free trial, so you can try this out with no commitment, no credit card, nothing like that. And all you need to do is connect through the API with Seller Central and Amazon Ads, and then we'll start organizing and pulling together all this data for you. I will say all of that data is completely confidential, so we don't sell any data to anyone. We don't use that data for any other purpose than to help you grow your Amazon branded business. So here we are in the chat, and the exciting thing about this is we call this conversational analytics. So we do have a really powerful customizable dashboard product. You can see the tab over here. The exciting thing with the AI is that you don't have to configure a dashboard. You don't have to have an existing report already. You don't even need to be a data person. This is kind of like, imagine having on Slack or Microsoft Teams or WhatsApp or whatever, just having a data analyst on your team you can just talk to. So let's try that out right now. So let's just ask, can I see my profit, tacos, percentage for last week? And I want to see that as a line chart. So what's happening under the covers here is that we actually use GPT-4, and the benefit is that we're using the API with GPT. So that means that all of this stays totally confidential, and even the data we do send to the AI to help make all this work isn't even used in future model training. All of it stays totally confidential. So we can see we got this chart back, and here's exactly the data we want, right? No downloading CSVs, no building complicated pivot tables, just an immediate answer with a graph to the question we had. The other thing I'll call out is that there's no hallucination risk. For those of you who have been using more GPT, it's not like the LLM can guess wrong here, because you can quickly verify that it understood your question. And then this data we show, this chart here that we're showing, we're doing in the same way we do for our dashboards. It goes straight from your Amazon reports into a database we maintain for you that's all confidential, and then straight into this visualization on the assistant interface for you. So we can see, like, this was the date range we wanted to know, and here are the metrics we wanted to know. Now we can start diving into this a little bit more, because this is still interactive. This is still a conversation we can have with the assistant. So we can say, can I see that just for the US? And we can see very quickly, we get that answer back. And you can see here, again, I can easily verify that it understood me correctly. We see the USA tag here. We know this is just showing USA data. And there we go. And again, completely interactive. So I say, can I see that as a bar chart? And we'll get that in that visualization right away. The other neat thing with this is all of this is downloadable. So you can just download the CSV for this and pull it into Excel and do whatever you want with it afterwards. This is your data, and we strongly believe in that. So we're always going to try to make it accessible to you. And there we see, there's our bar chart for profit and tacos percentage. So that's the basics of what we're doing here. And we really think we're just scratching the surface with this. We just launched the assistant for public use back in February. And already we have hundreds of sellers starting to use this and asking really cool questions. One of the more exciting, complicated workflows we've seen are folks are starting to do inventory projections and having the assistant help them step by step figure out how many units to order for which products when. So leave it in the comments. What kind of questions do you want to ask the assistant? What are the most painful workflows that you're doing right now that you would love an AI to help you do it and do it faster and perhaps more accurately? So that's Junglytics. That's our new AI assistant. Really excited to get feedback. So please reach out. We're excited to hear from you. Thanks.